In this video, we're going to look at the first part of our order of operations. So remember, order of operations, PEMDAS, also known as, is just the order in which we complete our operations. So we're going to follow the same steps every single time we simplify or evaluate a numerical expression, numerical, all numbers and operations. So first, we start with parentheses. This includes all grouping symbols and fractions. Exponents, which includes exponents, like 3 squared, and includes our radicals, so like the square root of 16. Remember, multiplication and division is one step from left to right. Addition and subtraction is one step from left to right. Pause if you need more time to write this down. We're going to look at this first example here. So I'm going to follow my PEMDAS. And quite often, usually, especially if there's a lot of steps like this one, I write out PEMDAS with the left-right for multiplication division, left-right for addition and subtraction. I am then going to just follow it. So first I do parentheses. Inside my parentheses, everything else gets brought down. So I'm not just scribbling arithmetic everywhere. I'm bringing everything else down following my order. Next is exponents, and I do have some exponents right there. 2 cubed, remember that means 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And everything else gets brought down. Then I have multiplication and division, and I'm going to go left to right. So I have a multiplication there and a multiplication there. Since they're separated by that subtraction sign, I can do them at the same time. 5 times 7 is 35. 8 times 8 is 64. The last thing we have is subtraction. And I want you to remember with subtraction, it means to add the opposite. So I'm going to change my subtraction to addition, change the sign of my next number. If you need to come over to the side to do 64 minus 35 and do your regrouping, 9 and 2. So I'm going to subtract and keep the sign of the larger. That's my addition rule. So I changed from subtraction to adding the opposite. So change to addition, change the sign of the next number, and then I used my addition rule. I'm adding with different signs. So I subtract and keep the sign of the larger. We're going to go over the 6 examples together in class. We'll do that tomorrow.